Ladies and gentlemen, success is not something that comes knocking on your door out of nowhere. It is born within you, a seed that grows with every breath you take. Success is born in your own belief. It starts and ends with you. This is not just a fancy phrase to hang on your wall. It is the truth of every life that has dared to dream. Think about it for a moment. Every person who has made something great of themselves started with a tiny flame of belief in their heart. It is that stubborn refusal to let doubt win that shapes the future. Your belief in yourself is like a compass that keeps you steady when the winds of life threaten to blow you off course. When you trust in yourself, you build a quiet courage that no one can take away. That belief does not mean you will never feel fear or stumble along the way. Oh, you will. Countless times. But every time you fall and get back up, you are telling the world and yourself that your dreams are worth fighting for. You become the master of your own journey, and that power is in your hands alone. It is easy to look at others and think they had it easier, that their path was laid out in gold. But what you do not see is the nights they spent doubting, the moments when they questioned every decision. They did not have a magic formula. They had the same thing you have, the ability to believe. Belief does not guarantee success overnight. It does something better. It makes you resilient. It makes you brave. It gives you the courage to keep moving forward, even when the ground under your feet feels shaky. Belief in yourself is not about ignoring reality or pretending that challenges do not exist. It is about knowing deep down that you can face those challenges. It is the voice inside you that says, "I can do this," when everything else says you cannot. That voice may be quiet at first, a tiny whisper, but every time you choose to listen to it, it grows stronger, louder, clearer. You have probably heard the saying, "As you think, so shall you become." That is more than just words. It is a blueprint for your life. If you fill your mind with doubts and fears, you will find yourself stuck, spinning in circles. But if you feed your mind with hope and belief, you will find ways around the obstacles in your path. Your belief becomes your fuel, your driving force, and it shapes your actions. It pushes you to try again, to take one more step, even when you are tired. No one else can do this for you. Your parents, your friends, your mentors, they can cheer you on, but they cannot run the race for you. Only you can decide to get up and keep going. Only you can decide that your dreams are worth the effort. That is why it is so important to guard your belief, like a precious jewel. Do not let anyone tell you that you are not good enough. Do not let the failures of yesterday make you doubt your future. You have something inside you that no one else can claim. Your belief in yourself. When you choose to believe in yourself, you are not just dreaming. You are planting seeds that will grow into something beautiful. It will not happen overnight, and it will not always be easy. But the journey is yours. And it all begins with that simple yet powerful decision to believe in yourself, no matter what. The world will doubt you, but your faith in yourself must be stronger. From the moment you set your eyes on a dream, people will line up to tell you why it cannot be done. They will point out the obstacles, the impossibilities, and every reason why you should just give up and stay in the safety of what you already know. Their words might come wrapped in care or disguised as practicality, but make no mistake, doubt will be your most loyal companion on this journey. It will sit with you in the quiet hours of the night, whispering that you are not enough, that your dreams are too big, that you should aim smaller and settle for less. This is where your faith in yourself becomes your greatest asset. It is not blind hope or foolish confidence. It is the deep understanding that you alone can see the path that lies ahead. You alone know the fire that burns inside you, the quiet determination that says, "I will find a way." That faith is what keeps you moving when the world around you seems determined to stand still. It is the invisible thread that ties your present to your future, even when no one else believes in that future but you. Doubt is powerful because it is loud. It has a way of turning every small setback into a mountain, every tiny failure into a reason to stop. But your faith in yourself must be louder. It must rise above the noise of doubt and fear. It must be the voice that says, I hear you, but I choose not to believe you. Because in the end, the world's opinions are just that, opinions. They are not the truth of who you are or what you can become. You will face moments when it feels like the doubt is winning, when you feel small and lost in a world that seems too big and too harsh. Those are the moments when your faith in yourself is tested most. It is in those moments that you must dig deep and find the courage to keep going. You must look at the doubt and say, I see you, but I will not let you stop me. Because success is not about never feeling doubt. It is about refusing to let it make your decisions. Faith in yourself is built in the small choices you make every day. It is in the decision to try again after you have failed, in the choice to keep moving when everything around you is telling you to give up. It grows stronger every time you listen to the voice inside you instead of the voices outside. It is forged in the fire of challenges and strengthened by every obstacle you overcome. People may doubt you because they cannot see your vision. They do not feel the dreams that live in your heart or the ideas that keep you awake at night. They are not meant to see them. Those dreams are yours alone. Your faith in yourself is what turns those dreams into reality. It is the bridge between what is and what could be, the link between who you are and who you are meant to become. So let the world doubt you. Let them say it cannot be done. Let them shake their heads and walk away. That is their journey, not yours. Yours is the path of faith, the path of knowing that no matter how loud the doubts get, your belief in yourself will always be louder. It is a choice you make every day, to stand tall in the face of doubt and to keep walking, even when the path is steep and the world is watching, waiting for you to fail. But you know better. You know that you are capable of more than what anyone else sees. Your faith is your light, your guide, and it is yours to keep. Do not wait for a perfect time. Start with what you have, right now. The myth of the perfect time is a story we tell ourselves to keep from moving, to keep from risking, to keep from growing. We imagine a day when everything will be in place, when we will have enough resources, enough confidence, and enough support. But life does not work like that. The perfect time is a lie because the world is always in motion, always shifting, never standing still long enough for you to find that elusive moment of certainty. If you wait for the stars to align, you will find yourself waiting forever, watching as your dreams fade like a morning mist. The truth is, you have everything you need to begin. You have your heart, your vision, your determination, and those are worth more than any perfect circumstance. You may not have all the answers, and you may not feel ready, but readiness is not a destination, it is a decision. It is the choice to take the first step even when you are trembling, to trust that each small action will build momentum and light the way forward. Every big journey starts with a small beginning, and yours is no different. Starting now does not mean you will have it all figured out. It means you will learn as you go, adjusting your sails to the winds that come. It means you will face uncertainty with courage and greet setbacks with curiosity instead of fear. You will find that the act of beginning creates its own energy, its own rhythm. It teaches you that progress is more valuable than perfection, that momentum is built through action, not overthinking. You do not need the perfect map. You need the willingness to move. When you start with what you have, you discover the power of resourcefulness. You learn to make do with less, to find creative ways around obstacles, to see opportunities where others see only walls. You stop looking at what you lack and start focusing on what you can create with what is already in your hands. That shift in perspective changes everything. It transforms your excuses into possibilities and your hesitations into steps forward. There will always be a reason to wait: the economy, the opinions of others, the fear of failure. But those are just voices trying to keep you safe in your comfort zone. They are echoes of a world that fears change, that fears the unknown. But you are not meant to stay in the shadows of what could be. You are meant to stand in the light of what can be, and that light begins the moment you decide to begin. There is a quiet power in starting now. It says to the world and to yourself that you are not willing to let time slip through your fingers. It says that you will not let your dreams be held hostage by doubt or delay. It says that you are willing to trust in the journey even if you cannot see the destination clearly. Because the truth is, you will never feel completely ready. But if you wait until you do, you will watch your dreams gather dust while you stand still. So take that first step, even if it feels small and uncertain. Use what you have right now. The tools, the skills, the ideas, they are enough to get you started. And once you begin, you will find that the path opens up in ways you could never have imagined. The doors you thought were locked will start to creak open. The chances you thought were out of reach will reveal themselves in the light of your courage. Do not let the perfect time be the reason you never move. Do not let your fears write the ending to your story before you even begin. There is no magic hour, no perfect moment when everything will be easy. There is only today, only this moment, and the choice you make in it. You have waited long enough. Now is the time to act. Now is the time to trust yourself, to honor your dreams, and to start creating the life you want. The perfect time is a myth. What matters is your decision to start, right here, right now, with all that you are, and all that you hope to become. Every small step you take today brings you closer to where you want to be. The journey towards any meaningful goal does not unfold all at once. It is built from countless tiny actions that add up over time, a steady climb rather than a single leap. Each choice you make, each task you complete, no matter how insignificant it might seem, is a brick in the foundation of your future. It is easy to overlook these small steps because they do not always come with fanfare or immediate rewards. But they are the secret to every big achievement you can imagine. The small steps are where your discipline grows. They are the promises you keep to yourself even when no one is watching. They are the early mornings when you get up to work on your dream, the quiet hours when you keep learning even though you are tired, the gentle decisions to show up for your life day after day. In those moments, you are building something real, something lasting. You are telling yourself that your dreams matter enough to fight for, even when the world is too busy to notice. These steps are not always glamorous. They might feel like routine, like another day in the same old grind, but they are the proof of your commitment, the evidence that you are willing to put in the work, even when the outcome is still far away. They are the thread that ties your hopes to your actions, that bridges the gap between what you dream and what you do. When you take those small steps consistently, you start to see the power of momentum. Each step leads to another, and before you know it, you are moving forward with a force that feels unstoppable. You begin to realize that success is not built from a single moment of greatness, but from the steady rhythm of daily effort. It is the habit of pushing yourself a little further, of saying yes to growth and no to excuses. The beauty of small steps is that they are always within your reach. You do not need to wait for the perfect opportunity or the perfect plan. You just need to start with what you have and trust that each action will carry you forward. Even on the days when you feel like you are not making progress, those steps are adding up. They are creating a path that might not be clear now, but will one day lead you exactly where you want to go. There is something profoundly human in this process. It is the quiet dignity of showing up for yourself, the faith that says, I will try again tomorrow, even when today feels heavy. It is the courage to believe that you are worth the effort, that your dreams are worth the grind. And it is the understanding that no one else can take these steps for you. They are yours alone, your responsibility and your privilege. As you move forward, you will find that these small steps teach you more than you expected. They teach you patience, because progress takes time. They teach you humility, because you learn that you are always a student, always growing. They teach you strength, because you find reserves of determination you did not know you had. And they teach you hope, because each step is a reminder that you are not stuck, that you are always capable of moving closer to what you want. So do not underestimate the power of small steps. Do not dismiss them as unimportant or too slow. They are the heartbeat of every dream, the steady beat that keeps you moving forward when the road feels long. With each step you are building a future that is yours and yours alone. You are shaping the person you are becoming, one choice, one action, one small step at a time. Failure is not the end, it is the fuel for your next step. It is the bruises and the scars that teach you the most about how to stand tall. When you fall flat on your face, it does not mean the journey is over. It means you have been given a chance to rise with more wisdom, more strength, and a heart that refuses to back down. Failure is the teacher that no school can offer, the silent guide that shows you the cracks in your plans and the gaps in your courage. It is not the final chapter, it is just a sentence in the story you are writing, and every word of that story matters. The world likes to paint failure as a dead end, as if one mistake is enough to wipe out everything you have ever worked for. But that is not how life works. Failure is a detour, not a full stop. It is the chance to pause, to reflect, and to see where you might have taken a wrong turn. And in those moments of reflection, you find the keys to your own growth. You find the parts of yourself that are still rough around the edges, the pieces that need to be sharpened and refined. Failure forces you to look at yourself with honest eyes, to see beyond your ego and to understand what it really takes to move forward. When you embrace failure as part of the journey, it loses its power to scare you. It becomes a tool, a stepping stone, a way to measure how far you have come and how far you still have to go. You start to see that every misstep is just another chance to learn, to adapt, to grow, and that is where the real magic happens. Because growth does not come from comfort or from always getting it right. It comes from falling down and getting up again, stronger and more determined than ever. Failure has a way of stripping away the noise, of showing you what truly matters. It is in those quiet moments, when you are sitting with your disappointment and your doubts, that you find the grit to keep going. You learn that your worth is not defined by a single outcome, that your dreams are still valid even if you stumble along the way. You learn that you are bigger than any failure, and that your spirit is not so easily broken. Do not let failure make you afraid to try. Do not let it build walls around your heart or convince you that you are not good enough. Instead, let it be the push you need to dig deeper, to fight harder, to reach further. Let it remind you that every great achievement was once just a dream, and every dreamer faced their share of failures before they found their way. You are no different. You have the same power, the same fire, the same resilience. Every time you fail, you are not starting over from scratch. You are starting over from experience. You are carrying the lessons of the past with you, using them to shape a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Those lessons are worth more than any easy success because they come from a place of truth. They are the result of your courage to try, your refusal to settle, your willingness to keep moving, no matter how many times you fall. So do not be afraid to fail. Do not be afraid to take risks and to push yourself beyond what feels safe. Failure is not your enemy, it is your partner on this journey. It will test you, yes, but it will also shape you. It will show you what you are made of, and it will remind you that you have always been stronger than you think. Failure is not the end, it is just the beginning of something even greater. Let it fuel you, let it teach you, let it drive you forward with a heart that knows that every stumble is just another step towards your dreams. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears. Dreams have a way of pulling us forward, of whispering to us in the quiet moments that there is something more out there for us. They are the visions that come alive in the darkness, the hopes that dance in the corners of our minds when the world tells us to settle for less. But dreams are fragile things. They live in the space between who we are and who we want to become, and they are often threatened by the weight of fear. Fear is a powerful force. It can paralyze you, make you question your worth, and convince you that your dreams are nothing more than foolish fantasies. It speaks in the voice of doubt, in the echoes of every time you have fallen before. It is the part of you that remembers the pain of rejection, the sting of failure, the shame of not being enough. Fear wants to keep you small, because small feels safe. It wants to keep you silent, because silence feels secure. But your dreams are bigger than that. They were born from a place of hope, from the belief that your life can be more than what it is today. They are the blueprints of the future you want to build, the seeds of possibility that only you can plant and nurture. They are not meant to be hidden away in the corners of your heart. They are meant to be lived, to be pursued, to be honored with every breath you take. When you let your dreams be bigger than your fears, you give them room to grow. You choose to listen to the voice of possibility instead of the voice of doubt. You take risks, even when you are shaking. You step forward, even when your knees are weak. Because you know that every step you take in the direction of your dreams is a step away from the prison of fear. Letting your dreams be bigger than your fears does not mean you will not feel fear. It means you will not let fear decide for you. You will not let it be the reason you say no when your heart is begging you to say yes. You will not let it be the excuse you use to stay small when you were meant to stand tall. Fear will still be there, lurking in the shadows, but you will not let it take the lead. This choice is not made once. It is made every day, in the small moments when you feel the tremor of doubt in your chest. It is made in the quiet decisions that no one else sees, in the choice to show up for your dreams even when no one is watching. It is a practice, a habit, a way of life. It is the decision to bet on yourself and to trust that you are capable of more than what your fear says you are. Your dreams deserve to be bigger than your fears, because they are the truest expression of who you are. They are the reflection of your hopes, your passions, your gifts. They are the reason you wake up with a fire in your belly, the reason you keep going even when the road is hard. They are not foolish or unrealistic. They are the signposts that guide you to the life you were meant to live. So do not let fear shrink your dreams. Do not let it convince you that you are not ready, or that you will never be enough. You are ready. You have always been ready. You have everything you need within you, and every time you choose to let your dreams be bigger than your fears, you honor the life you have been given. You honor the possibility that lives inside you, the quiet promise that you were meant for something more. Your dreams are waiting for you to believe in them, to fight for them, to live them out loud. Let them be the light that guides you forward, the compass that points you to a future brighter than anything fear could ever imagine. Success does not come from comfort, it comes from challenges. Comfort is the soft blanket that keeps you warm and safe, the familiar routine that tells you everything will be okay if you just stay where you are. It is the easy path, the predictable path, the one that requires no risk, no courage, no bold steps into the unknown. But comfort will never bring you the life you dream of, because dreams do not grow in places where nothing changes. They need the spark of challenge, the push of struggle, the fire of something new to come alive. Challenges are the testing ground of your strength. They are the mirrors that show you what you are made of, the weight that builds the muscles of your heart and mind. When you face something hard, something that makes your pulse quicken and your stomach twist, You are being given the chance to rise. Every obstacle is a lesson in disguise, a chance to prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you have ever imagined. It is in those moments when the path is steep and the winds are strong that you find out what lives inside you. Success grows in the soil of challenge. It needs the grit of your determination, the sweat of your effort, the tears you shed when it feels like the whole world is against you. It asks for your patience, your resilience, your refusal to give up no matter how many times you fall. Comfort cannot teach you these things because comfort never asks anything of you. It never tests you, never pushes you, never shows you the edges of your own courage. The path of challenge is not easy, but it is the only path that leads to real growth. It is the only path that strips away the illusions of what you think you can do and shows you the truth of what you are capable of. Challenges reveal the depth of your spirit. They make you humble because they remind you that you do not have all the answers. But they also make you strong because they show you that you can keep going even when the answers are nowhere to be found. When you embrace challenge, you stop seeing it as something to fear and start seeing it as something to welcome. You begin to understand that the discomfort is where the magic happens. It is the space between who you were and who you are becoming, the crucible that shapes your dreams into something real. Every time you face a challenge and refuse to let it break you, you become a little bit more of the person you want to be. Comfort will tell you to stay where you are. It will tell you that you are safe here, that there is no need to rock the boat or chase something bigger. But deep down, you know that safety is not the same as living. Deep down, you feel the stir of restlessness, the quiet ache that says there is more out there for you if you are willing to go after it. So do not be afraid to leave comfort behind. Do not be afraid to step into the unknown, to take a chance on yourself even when the outcome is uncertain. The challenges you face are not there to stop you. They are there to build you. They are there to teach you the lessons that comfort never could, to give you the strength you did not know you had. Success is not a gift that is handed to you. It is something you earn, day by day, by choosing to face the challenges that others might shy away from. It is the quiet victories you win when no one else is watching, the silent promises you make to yourself that you will not settle for less than you are capable of. Challenges are the doorway to those victories, the bridge that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. They are not something to run from, they are something to lean into, to embrace with open arms and an open heart. Because on the other side of every challenge is a stronger, wiser, more alive version of yourself waiting to be discovered. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher, not drag you down. The company you keep shapes the thoughts in your mind and the strength in your spirit. You may not realize it at first, but the energy of those around you seeps into the roots of your dreams. When you are in the presence of people who believe in you, who cheer for you even in your smallest victories, you find yourself growing in ways you never expected. Their faith in you fuels your own faith in yourself, and you begin to see that what once seemed impossible might be closer than you think. But the opposite is just as true. When you are surrounded by voices that doubt, that mock, that belittle your efforts, it is like a weight on your shoulders. Their words become chains, holding you back from reaching your full potential. Even the strongest heart can grow tired when it is constantly forced to defend itself against the voices of negativity. That is why you must be careful with the company you keep. Your dreams are precious, and they deserve to be protected. Choosing the right people does not mean surrounding yourself only with those who agree with you all the time. It means finding those who see your vision, who understand that your journey is yours alone, and who will stand by you through the highs and lows. It means seeking out those who challenge you to grow, who push you to do better, not because they doubt you, but because they believe in your strength. These are the people who will remind you of who you are when the world tries to make you forget. There is a quiet strength in surrounding yourself with people who lift you higher. Their encouragement does not always come in loud words or grand gestures. Sometimes it is the simple presence of someone who believes in you, who holds your hand when the world feels too heavy, who says, "I see you and I know you can do this." Those small moments of support are like water for the seeds of your dreams, helping them grow and thrive even in the harshest soil. Do not underestimate the power of the circle you choose. It can be the difference between standing still and taking flight. It can be the difference between giving up and pushing forward when everything feels impossible. When you find those who lift you higher, you find a community of hearts that beats with your own. You find a source of strength that is bigger than any one person, a shared belief that together you can overcome anything. But this choice is not always easy. Sometimes the people you have known the longest are the ones who hold you back the most. They may not see your vision because they are too busy trying to keep you in a box that fits their idea of who you should be. In those moments you must be brave enough to let go, to create space for those who will walk beside you with hope instead of fear. It does not mean you stop caring for those who cannot see your path. It means you choose to honor your own journey enough to surround yourself with those who will honor it too. Remember, you are not meant to do this alone. Even the strongest tree needs the sun, the rain, the soil to grow. You need voices around you that remind you of your strength, hands that lift you when you stumble, and hearts that believe in your dreams, even on the days when you struggle to believe in them yourself. Those people are not just your friends, they are your allies, your champions, the quiet echoes of possibility in your life. So be mindful of who you let into your circle. Choose those who see your light and reflect it back to you. Choose those who speak with kindness, who challenge you with love, who remind you that your dreams matter and that you are never alone in this journey. Your circle has the power to shape your path. Make sure it is filled with those who want to see you soar.